today's video, I would like to share my shortcut technique in finding the sum in a series of numbers. So kini nga questions ako ning gikuha gikan sa reviewer sa math challenge. And this is good for the math challenge and math quiz participant or contestants. Okay, so I have here 3 examples. Okay, first, the question is find the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... plus 20 plus 21. So that meaning continuously. Nani siya sumpay 4, 5, 6 and until 20 and 21. So first thing you do is to add the first and the last number. So we have to add. The answer is 22. So 22 divided by 2, divide na to 2 kay so that we can get the middle number. So the middle number is 11. So ato ni siyang multiplyan og how many number in the series? So there are 21 numbers. So i-multiply na to siya ang 11 sa 21. So naani siya is shortcut pod siya, no? So kung ato siyang i-multiply, ang answer ani niya is 231. So this is the sum of all numbers from 1 up to 21. Okay? So the next example is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... 99 then plus 100. Okay? Ang unahon na to 1 plus 100 equals 101. Then find the middle, dividing it by 2. So the middle is 50.5. So 100 numbers man siya, ato siyang i-multiply by 100. So kani siya naapo ni siya shortcut. Okay, ang shortcut ani nga mag-multiply tag 100 aron madali sad ato ra ning i-move ang decimal point og kaduha. Kaduha siya kay 100 has 2 zeros. Okay? So kato siyang i-multiply taas-taas naman. So the answer is 5,050. Okay? So the third one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... plus 998 plus 999. Again, first and last add. So the answer is 1,000. Then 1,000 divided by 2 to get the middle, the answer is 500. Middle. Then multiply it. How many number are there in a series? So the answer is 999. Then ato ni siyang i-multiply. So taas na kayo. So ato na sad ning i-shortcut. So atong balihon ha, i-99 kanani shortcut ani po. So pwede ra jud kaayo kung mag times mo using the long method. So ako lang method ng shortcut na madali. 2 ga 0. Dayon 5 times 9 equals 45. Then carry 4. 45 plus 4, 49. Carry 4. 5 times 9, 45 plus 4 equals 49. So the answer is 499,500. This is the sum of all numbers from 1 up to 999. So this technique, this shortcut technique can defeat calculator. Okay? So that's all.